Today I want to make some glow-in-the-dark mushrooms and make a little diorama. I think a little cluster of mushrooms would look really cute on here, and to make them glow in the dark, even better. I've got 12 colors here. Maybe I'll make 12 mushrooms. Of course, they're going to be really tiny. Let me close the drape. All right. Right before I was going to film, I just did an unboxing from Maya Crystals. They were so nice to send me a box of stones. Mostly from you guys. I've been recommending them for stones, for your own stones, and as a thank you, they sent me some new stones. So if you want to check out my little unboxing video, I'll link that above. But that just literally happened right before I was about to film this. I got to clean my workspace up again. So I'm going to make 12 mushrooms. Make 12 dots of UV resin. I don't need much. I should put them farther apart, shouldn't I? Because I'm going to mix powder in with them. Okay. I gotta open it up. All right. How am I gonna mix them? I've got a bunch of these little spoons. So I just need a little bit of powder. Okay. That one's coral. Yellow, green. Okay. Green. Blue-green. Okay, salmon. Back in the 80s, I loved fluorescent orange and fluorescent green, of course. Blue. Fuchsia. Purple. We got yellow. This row is too close to each other. Drag this out to the side a little bit. Sky blue. Gold. Okay. And magenta. Okay, so I have my ball stylus. I'm going to use this one. It's the smallest, not the smallest, but pretty small. They'll make the nice size mushrooms that I need to fit in my little diorama here. And I'm going to dome the top of it, and I'm going to hit it with the UV torch here. But I think I might have to cover this up in the meantime because I don't want it curing while I'm waving my torch around. So let's try the green. Get a nice coating of green on there. Okay. This needs a little help. There There we go. There's one. Let's make a bigger one. Let's do this one. Which one was this? Yellow green. Another layer. Okay, do the small one, small purple one. Okay, I'm just gonna go along. To make it easier, I'm gonna torch it off camera under the table so this goes faster. Random ones, try to use this up. Yeah, that's cool. Let's make more of those. Give everything a nice cure before I assemble. Okay, I grabbed some flocking, and this is gravel that I used in fish tanks. Little grass tufts I bought, and let's make this up. Let's get that on there. Tufts of grass here. Here's some leftover sand and stuff from a paludarium I redid. There. I'm going to try using some fishing line for my stems. I'm going to attach them with UV resin. That's pretty tall. Okay. That's fun. So fun.